I know how frustrating it can be. You upload a great video and then silence. Hardly any views. Or maybe a few from family and friends. But nothing compares to the effort you put in. Trust me, I've been there. But here is the good news. There are free apps and tools right now that you can actually use to promote your YouTube videos, get them seen by real people, and start building momentum. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 apps that can actually help you to promote your YouTube videos for free, and they will not put your channel at risk. These are simply genuine and real tools that a lot of creators are using to grow their channel currently. So stay with me to the end. I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to use this app for maximum growth. Hi and welcome back to Debbie's Tutorials Academy. On this channel, I give you tips on how to grow your YouTube channel as a small creator. So if these are the kind of videos you would love to watch, do want to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you're definitely going to be the first to be notified. Thank you. The first and amazing app on the list is TubeBuddy. Now, if you've been on YouTube for a while now, you've probably heard this name. But the thing is, a lot of people don't actually use it the right way. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension and app. It simply helps you optimize your videos so more people can get to see them, especially on search engine, browse features, and a host of all those amazing places you want your videos to appear. Now, think about it. Promotion is not just about sharing your video everywhere. If your video isn't searchable, you are already limiting yourself. Use your keyword tools, tag suggestions, and SEO analysis. Here's how I use TubeBuddy. Before uploading any of my YouTube video, I open TubeBuddy and search for keywords that people are already searching for. I simply look for those green keywords where the search volume is high, but then the competition is low. And then what do? I simply plug those searchable keywords that are green into my title, description, and tags. That way, when I upload, I know that people are already searching for topics like that. This is simply what I call free promotion inside YouTube itself. This is simply because YouTube itself is going to start recommending the videos and making it to rank in search engine and browse features. And the best part, TubeBuddy's free version is powerful enough to get started. The free tool can actually put you ahead of 90% of small creators who are uploading blindly. So if you simply want organic promotions without begging friends and family to watch your videos, TubeBuddy should be your starting point. Now, the second on my list is vidIQ. Now, you may be asking, Debbie, should I use vidIQ or TubeBuddy? My answer is simply use both. Yes, they do similar things, but they also have different unique strengths. vidIQ is simply amazing for daily video ideas and trending topics. When you open it, it literally gives you suggestions based on what people are currently searching for now. Imagine uploading a video about something trending today. Your chances of blowing up skyrockets. But that's not even all. vidIQ also shows you competitors' analytics. With vidIQ, you can simply type in the name of big YouTuber in your niche and see what they're actually doing to grow big, what titles they use, what keywords are driving them traffic, and it also gives you an insight on what time they actually upload their videos, because whether you like it or not, the time you upload your YouTube video actually plays a great role whether you're going to get views or not, especially if you're targeting audience from the first world countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada. If you want to get views from those countries that actually pay, that their CPM are actually very high, then you can actually use vidIQ to get insight from top creators that are actually in those countries and that are actually big on YouTube. It will give you an insight on what time they actually upload their videos, so that you can also leverage the same time and try to upload your own video that time and see how it's going to work for you. Now, here's how I use vidIQ for free promotion. Every morning, I simply check the daily ideas section. If I see a topic that matches my niche, I create a quick short or video about it. And because it's trending, YouTube tends to push it out more. That way, I get free promotion without running an ad. And that is why vidIQ is very important if you want to stay relevant and attract real views. And guys, the third on the list is Canva. Now, you might be thinking, wait, Canva is a design tool. How does that promote my videos? Calm down, let me explain. Do you know that your thumbnail is the billboard to your video? No matter how good your content is, if your thumbnail is shabby, nobody is going to click to watch that video. Nobody is even going to know that there is a value in your video. And if people don't click on your thumbnail, are you going to get views? Canva gives you free, ready-made YouTube thumbnail templates that looks professional. Even if you have zero design skills, you can add both text, YouTube icons, and even your own photos in few minutes. Now, here is how this actually helps to get you views. Better thumbnails, Higher click-through rates. Higher click-through rates, YouTube pushes your video to more people. More impressions, more free views. So technically, Canva is one of the most powerful free promotion tools to get views for your YouTube videos because it helps you grab attention without paying a graphic designer. Another tool I actually use to create thumbnail for myself is ChatGPT. If you want me to make a dedicated video to teach you step by step on how to use ChatGPT to create professional thumbnail for your YouTube channel, drop at the comment section. If I don't see the comment, I'm not going to do the video. So if you watch this stage, please give this video a thumbs up and share it so that YouTube is going to see that there is value in this video and would push it to more people. The fourth app on the list is CapCut. This is a free video editing app from the same company that owns TikTok. And this is simply the reason it is so powerful for promotion. Now, you can actually use to promote short form content. You do it by taking part of your long form video and edit it into short form and then upload it to get more views. And as you're getting views on your short form, you're simply directing people to watch your long form video. You can take part of your long form video and repurpose them into shorts, TikTok Reels, and Instagram Reels. CapCut even has templates. Why does this matter? It matters because short form videos are one of the fastest ways to promote your long form videos to get views on YouTube for free. Millions of people scroll shorts daily, and if just a fraction of them click through to your video, that is simply a massive explosion. Now, here's my little hack. After uploading a YouTube video, I cut out 2 to 3 highlights. I simply add my titles on CapCut because people love text on screens. Then I upload them as a short with a call to action like, watch the full tutorial on my channel. And boom, that is a free promotion. By so doing, you're attracting an audience that may have never have found your channel, let alone watching the video in your channel. And finally, app number 5, WhatsApp or Telegram. You might be surprised, but this is one of the underrated promotion tools out there. Think about it. Almost everyone checks WhatsApp or Telegram daily. If you create a broadcast list or group of people interested in your niche, you simply have direct access to an engaged audience. Here's what I do. Every time I upload my video, I share the link with a short catchy caption in my WhatsApp group. I encourage members to engage with it quickly because the first 2 hours of your upload on YouTube is actually very important. That will actually make the algorithm to push your video to search engine, browse features. So if you don't know this before, know it now. The first 2 hours of upload on YouTube is actually very important. So this early engagement signals to the YouTube algorithm that the video is relevant and should extend it to more people. Telegram works even the same way. Even Facebook works the same way. In fact, literally all your social media platforms, you can actually share them. You can share them on Facebook and all your social media platforms, and then just drop a caption of your video, a short part of your video, and add your link, directing them over to YouTube to come and watch the full video. On Telegram, you can actually have a larger group or set up a community where people share tips, upload their own videos for everyone to get engaged. Now, the key is to keep it natural. Don't spam random people, especially people that are not interested in your niche. Because if you do this the wrong way, you are going to attract a bunch of people that are not interested in your niche. And when someone is not interested, and when you share your video to people that are not interested in your niche or what you're talking about, what it does is that they are going to click on that video, watch like 2 seconds of the video, and they are going to click away simply because they are not interested. And once people are clicking on your video and clicking away immediately, it kills the click-through rate. And once the click-through rate is dead, it's going to reduce the impression. And once the impression is dead, there's no way YouTube is going to push it to more people. It's simply saying that the video is not valuable. That is why the click-through rate is low. Click-through rate is the number of people that actually stayed to watch that video. And then impression is the number of people that have seen the video. If your impression keeps on increasing and your click-through rate is reducing, it shows that the video is not a success and the YouTube is not going to push that video forward. So please, while you are doing this, ensure you do it strategically. Only show your videos to people that you know are interested in your niche and are going to be interested in the video you have posted. Now, here's the bonus tip I promised. Don't just use these apps separately. Combine them. Use vidIQ to find trending topics. Use TubeBuddy to optimize the title, tags, and description. Design an eye-catching thumbnail in Canva or ChatGPT. Repurpose your videos into shorts using CapCut. Then share everything with your audience on Telegram or WhatsApp. When you stack these tools, simply creating a free promotion machine that gets your video seen by the right people across multiple platforms. So there you have it, guys. 5 real apps to promote your YouTube videos and get views for free. You need to remember, success on YouTube is not about luck. It's about strategy. If you consistently use these tools, your channel will grow, your views will increase, and you will build a loyal audience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Debbie's Tutorial Academy, and drop a comment telling me which app you're going to try first. And hi, if you want me to do a tutorial telling you how I use these tools step by step, drop at the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.